I got here the three fragrances from Lucky Beauty by Andrea Brillantes, which are called Lucky Potions. These are all eau de parfum in which the names are interesting, starting with Stories for a Girl. Next, we have Diary of a Lady, and the last is Letters from a Woman. To start with Stories for a Girl, this one is more of a girly kind of scent. It is very sweet. If you're gonna ask me to recommend a scent for students, this is the one. Actually, nung inamoy ko tong tatlo, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Siguro kasi I love sweet scents and this hits the spot. Sobrang sweet talaga nito, smelling like marshmallow, pero may pagka-sophisticated pa rin yung vibe niya. Next, we have Diary of a Lady. This one is more floral, still sweet, and more sophisticated than Stories for a Girl. And then we have Letters from a Woman. Ito yung pinakamatapang dun sa tatlo. Letters from a Woman is this floral still, and still feminine kind of fragrance, but if you're gonna use this on a date, siguro pang nighttime to. This is also perfect for the office. For the longevity, naglast naman tong tatlo sa skin ko ng matagal. And once na in-spray mo rin tong perfumes na to, maaamoy ka talaga. So, ganun silang klase ng perfume. Baka you're wondering why yung Stories for a Girl pa lang yung hindi ko nauubos dito sa tatlo. Kasi, since working na ako, so of course, magsusuot ako ng more office-appropriate na fragrances or more like my corporate kind of vibe. So, itong dalawa yon, yung Diary of a Lady and Letters from a Woman. But still, kahit anong edad mo, you can still wear Stories for a Girl, ha? This is very mabango din talaga. It's not just my preference of scent pagdating sa office setup. I guess kaya din ganito yung pangalan nga ng scents is para si Stories for a Girl is pang more of teenager baguette type. Then if you're a young adult, dito ka kay Diary of a Lady. Then this one na kasi si Letters from a Woman is may more mature take. I saw the packaging din pala ng mga bigger bottles for these and very pretty talaga. Perfect for gifting as well. And mabango din talaga sila. Hindi lang na maganda yung packaging, pero yung product itself is of good quality. If tatanungin mo ko if sulit ba tong Lucky Potions na to, yes, very sulit. Kasi nga mabango, long-lasting, and kakaiba din yung scent niya. And also, with the packaging ng mga malalaking bottles, very perfect for gifting.